What's going on, everyone? It's time to do the reverse repo. Holy oh, hold on. Nope, that one is from Friday. That's the one with lots of crime. Come on, Fed. What are you doing? Oh, look at that. Look at that difference. You see that? Down like 142 billion, and counterparties dropped by 20 basically. So, holy crime. Does it matter though? Nope, because look at this chart. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. Yeah, I'm jacked. So market numbers for today, we have 1,358,606,000,000 with 74 counterparties, down significantly from last Friday. Yeah, but not the stonks. So that's all that matters, right? All that matters. Nice. Well, let's see what happens, everyone. I'm jacked to the T's. Dirty repo, reiteration. 1 trill, 358 bill, 6 of 6 mil, 74 counterparties. Crime is high. Just like